my guy.
Kurano.
My see. I wish you could just see somebody, man. When go just partner with us. So all this road yama wahala go just clear.
Come on, I tire. And we get chairman for this community.
Seriously. Chairman. Dey for this community. Now our road scatter like this. Nigeria jaga.
Everything just scatter now.
Wow.
If rain fall down now, seriously, so many old dogs for this our road.
Oh, I dey para.
Abeg go meet the chairman o.
In fact,
you know, say you be youth president.
I dey tell you. In fact, no go ginger am. No go ginger am. He go tidy up these things so that road go make sense like the one wey dey for Dubai, America.
Na so.
You be like that. Abobi, make we dey go.
We dey go.
There.
We are used from this community, man.
Hello. Oh, yes, can I help you?
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon. My name na Koreano. Na me be the youth president for this environment. Gong.
Yes.
Wait a minute. So my name is Dammy.
Okay.
I'm the secretary of the youth in this community.
I can see. You're welcome. How can I help you people?
We want see your papa concerning our road. Our road don spoil, don dabaro with the para.
Will you keep quiet?
As you can see, you know, say road don fall down now.
Yes.
Hold up is too much in our community. Hold up is too much. Our road is not good. And your daddy did not do anything.
We just want make him come help us so that make our road good. Make him come help us.
Yes.
I understand. Please, just calm down. I see. I thought I overheard my dad even try to mention something like this road yesterday. Yes. Yeah. There is solution to this road.
There's solution.
Yes.
Solution.
Yes.
Oh, not too much.
Let me know.
It don't happen.
You don't happen.
It don't happen.
Solution don dey.
Oh, everything don sorted out. So na so abi.
Yes.
Confirm.
Yeah. Have you heard about Jomad Unique Road Construction Limited?
Jomad Unique Road Construction Limited.
Yes.
No.
We never hear na.
Yeah, viewers in the house, my name is Bola Shade. As you people know, as usual, I don't come back again.
Yeah, that is me. Tell me, Oluwadamilare lorúkọ tèmi. Now, gbogbo aláì mọ̀ pé Jomad Unique Road Construction, ilé-iṣẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé ó wà very fantastic ni. Kò sí róòdù tí wọn ò ní bá yín ṣe tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa serve yín better. Gbogbo róòdù yín ẹ ṣáà gbé wá sí Jomad Unique Road Construction, ó máa bá yín ṣe.
Wetin dey try to talk say Jomad Unique Road Construction Limited be say any road wey you know say the road sef don spoil and una don buy things wey don even say una don even spend money just come to
Jomad Unique Road
Construction Limited.
Ṣé bá fi wá mọ office address wọn?
Okay.
Kilometer 5 Express Ibadan Road opposite BRT bus stop Ojodu Bega. Ibẹ̀ gangan beside the Lagos State Public Works Corporation. Ibẹ̀ gangan ni ọ́fíìsì wọn wà. Ẹ wá yẹ kí n sọ fún yín o, àìmọye irú tó yẹ kí wọ́n ti ṣe. Àwọn ló ṣe ìfàkọ̀ Haruna ní ọgbà àgùdà. Jomad ló ṣe.
Na dem do testing ground Ìkẹjà.
Wọ́n tún wá bá wọn ṣe ibi kan tí gbogbo àtúmọ̀ sí Agége side ní wọ́n pè bẹ́ẹ̀ ní Ọlọ́run ṣògo ní Agége. Àwọn náà ló ṣe àdúgbò bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Wọ́n máa sáàfù yín bẹ́tà. Èèyàn ṣàṣe kí ni ẹ kàn sí iléeṣẹ́ Jomad Unique Road Construction Limited.
See, make I no lie to you. You know say na so wey I just dey do my gossip. Just come sharp. Me, I